cup. Ready? Oh, that's for great grandma. You want to give him a smell? Smell good. Come over here. Look at this is Lois. This is great grandma Lois. Spell Lois.
Okay.
Okay. Lois. What does this? This says Woodruff.
I'm gonna spell Woodruff.
Okay.
Okay. W-O-O-D-R-U-F-R. Lois.
Woodruff. That says Leonard.
I'm gonna spell Leonard.
Okay.
Alright.